How do restaurants cook pasta so fast?
As a student, I worked in a London fast food place, which was pretty popular among young people. The spaghetti bolognese was actually renowned. Since the question is about cooking pasta, only 2 words about the sauce: stretching ingredients. We boiled the pasta in the morning, drained it and conserved the pasta in buckets filled with ice water. Every time a spaghetti was ordered, one of us grabbed a portion, put a ladle of sauce and a handful of cheap cheese on top, and microwaved it for 3 minutes.